How to save your first $10,000, step by step. Want to save your first $10,000 but don't know where to start? Most people think it's impossible, but I'll break it down into simple, actionable steps anyone can follow. 5 steps to save $10,000. Step 1. Set a clear goal. Saving $10,000 feels huge, but let's break it down. That's just $833 per month, or $27 per day for a year. Set a deadline and track progress. Step 2. Cut unnecessary expenses. You'd be surprised how much you're wasting. Cancel unused subscriptions, cut impulse spending, and cook at home instead of eating out. Even saving $5 a day adds up to $1,825 a year. Step 3. Increase your income. If cutting expenses isn't enough, boost your earnings. Start a side hustle, sell unused items, or negotiate a raise. Even an extra $200 a month makes a huge difference. Step 4. Automate your savings. Treat your savings like a bill. Set up automatic transfers to a high-yield savings account every payday. Even if it's just $50 per week, you'll have $2,600 saved in a year. Step 5. Invest to grow faster. Once you have a cushion, make your money work for you. Put it in stocks, ETFs, or even a business. Investing just $100 a month at 10% interest can grow into $10K plus in a few years. Which step will you start today? Drop a in the comments if you're ready to save. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart money tips.